yen akibok do ong kha nang le nung sa lo diwa kai nam kan thum we kan pa we
du chung khasas we dai mi man naw ba refreshment sponsor ai bol pio bu chung bu kip gan and family all of land Manipur chunga ki pa thui phomobin today cultural dress sponsor ai bol pio bu ngam thang ho kip honorable cabinet minister MLA Manipur chunga zong ki pa thui phomobin chuban le chuzong le program printing as sponsor ai bol pio Priscilla Chuboy MPS chunga zong ki pa naw phomobe.
Now moving on, we have releasing of Arts Zoning annual magazine that will be taken up by Publication Secretary, Publication Department, KSO Ceylon Branch.
Greetings from Arts Zoning Editorial Board 2015. This publication marks the 27th edition of Arts Zoning annual magazine of the Kuki Students Organization Ceylon Branch. The magazine is a platform for students to exhibit their work and contribute to the sharing of knowledge. From the streets of Cairo and the Arab Spring to Occupy Wall Street and what is Big Tree. Media was not just sharing the news but driving it. And that is what Arts Zoning has been carrying out, sharing and driving the activities of and interest of KSO Ceylon Branch since its first publication in 1981. There are certain features of a magazine these days which we hope will give not only pleasure but direct stimulus to those who contributed. Arts Zoning, whether in her monthly, periodical or annual issue, has laid emphasis on education and information but with a touch of humor. We extend our deepest gratitude to Golham Pauline Pangipgan, Assistant Intelligence Bureau, Government of India, who will be releasing Arts Zoning 2015. Through fact-checking and proofing, the editorial board of Arts Zoning endeavors to avoid publishing erroneous information, but to err is human. Errors have been graded. Have a pleasant reading. Twin Golham Pauline Pangipgan, who put holding it in Bowen. 2015 Arts Zoning annual magazine to Aman. They release video here.
Uniko Rupita, Som Nadi Chanda, KSO Ceylon, Treasure Social Function Man Nava, Iti Souvenir, Arts Zoning, Tomdo Dinga, the Henkatan Jane, Ripain, Masapian in Lamkai Hotuma, Kakipan, Kogi. Ani in Iti Souvenir, So Dinga, Mukisalel. Today, Uniko, Sodo Tia in Paya. In the car, today, Hatman Luka Senga, who editor led Application Department of Home P. Hodose, part of the Sampen period. 1981, Sangat the Go Somkin the Kanapana, Munki Solo, the Arts Zoning Souvenir. Unitan Gain, Solo Taylor Umin, his in Hatunu Patin, Kamba in him. Zoning, Onki Sola, Tanin, Kupiti Adingin, Adingin, KSO Ceylon Adingin, Tipulkona, Tutena Cantona, Unity and Development, Yanlang, Tutunga, Kisodo, Iti Arts Zoning Souvenirs of him. Asim Zosile, Anedo say, Adingin, Titilkona, Patona Hen, Tihin, Katamale, Ripana Kapunto. Tema Golang Pauline Tang Kitganin, the Arts Zoning Souvenir 2015. He Mio says him taking that, Mio said they taking in Honda. Honda Akapan Nadalin, Teman, the G. Optima Sapendi, Naka Sanga in Katay.
Aman hi student hon zakat khani na nakilawatin family hon se ten zan ya pa chung lam ki tu pi ne dia ne ki tu pi me mi sang khat kong ki kom do din ko pi yong al homin ji chun a choi ki jodi bin tim na edit report ne gi ne ke o pat chen stan de ki pa we.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to the 54th Festival Social of the Kuki Students Organization Shillong 2015. I would first like to introduce my partner over here. This handsome young man standing next to me, Tomboy, aka Rocco. He's currently doing his Masters in Philosophy in the NEHU, and I would like to give the time to him.
So, Pitiwa, Zana Salam. Kau mati, nunggak meloi tahi, abin mana yang angsi he, kita kan kebol ngai pata. Itu Northeastern Hills University English Department third sem lai he. Tu pada kona ki kita lagi kini patakan lawan deh kita. Kini kau hiloin, pipi dia tu kita komen panlau di jalan saya he. Setelah dua program jalan dengan he, lasa dingin, MKL boy, in timu ikiko he.
The hot and happening Kuki pop singer all the way from Longsa, Manipur. He made his debut with a song titled Ellie Rose, and in 2003. Everyone, please put your hands together for the one and only.
Silong rating sunil.
Next up, we have the Kuki Bajorians with their special cultural choreography entitled Hoop Se Dil De, Lam Dil De Lin Zaida or Yuhte. Kuki Bajorians, the stage is all yours. Sarbin to kindly take the stage once again.
Nunga bulhang miso ngata miget kileng doen, akileng doho kaloinu aban an sinhate.
Pasalho chahile Kevin Haukip Lamgo Lun Kipgen Pautin Mang Baite Lun Khotam Dongyal.
Tua min tiko do cheng ho chu stage langa ta kum kal do diwin tem da han sa kan ne. Numei langa nunga ho chahile Joyce Lamko hat Haukip Marlin Sing Nei Hoi Tumdim và thiên kim ngoài thế ngày kim tô thẳng tung xin tên mà sang lăng ăn lên đó bị tiêu in tìm được lên sải cái này tua hình nga đây đi gulang Kevin aman vision hen do ding ken ne
question khan do ri chui le omun tamta omin na le khasim na dinga ahi le ipidanga shilong hi na them zil na dinga na hin ki hlen ham
question ne hung do chu ka ki pai na shilong hi ibola ka hung thim zil na dinga ka hung se ham ki le ama sa pe na chu ka se nung ju le I inu to I Manipur kam ka na Manipur to akinain ting le agam hi weather hi anomin phating le ke ka course bachelor of social work hi mundang nang umjong le sen and mansi social work course ding in ahoin ji chun phating le insung ni jong shilong muna ka ka relative sau sau in ji chun Delhi lang ho Chennai lang ho ahoi thonan hi jong le biti sai yang asif pon e ho emi ho na dingin tinan chu case tam ta akisa jingin ja hi Shillong hi ami te jong apha in phating le ham le bawlang a jong English bawlang a aki khang doin e ho emi ho jong atamin chi chun Shillong hi hi chiding ja chu kahung hen se he thim chin na ding aki pe
pau men na ding den in lan social work nen la hi yola bachelor of social work nen la am course tamta la ding tamta omen izong le chinangin social work na la na hi aji apipen beham sei ki pa
ai mi te